Welcome to the BrandPack. You've taken an exciting first step. Now it's time to get access to your powerful new marketing system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account and get everything set up easily. Once you're in, you'll see how everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster is right here at your fingertips. Let's get started.
All right, we'll keep this one pretty short and sweet. This is basically just how to access your account when you sign up. Now, when you signed up for your BrandPack, you'll get a welcome email that'll look something like this. It'll have your email and password. You'll click the nice big login button. It'll take you to a login, and you'll use these to log in. Now, if it gives you trouble, you can always try resetting your password. If for some reason, usually this always works, but if for some reason it doesn't work, just send us an email and we'll help you get unstuck, because we want you to be able to get in and get everything up and rolling. Now, once you're in, it'll take you to the Launchpad screen by default. You'll see all this big menu that we'll walk through in our videos as we explain stuff. And you also see down here in settings, that's where you find more options. A lot of stuff in here. One thing I will just call out, since we talked about your password, is you can come into your My Profile and update your password. But that's it for this video. If you are having trouble after you log in, hit this OS help request, and this comes to our team and we can help get you unstuck. If you have trouble before logging in, just send us an email and we'll get everything resolved so you can start launching and growing your business.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier, and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.